Hello dearies, welcome to my channel. It is another beautiful day with Gloria Nyako on Revamping Old. I extend my warmest welcome to my new viewers. Today's tutorial is on revamping an old straight wig into a very beautiful kinky curls. This wig is 7 years old and it is very sticky and frizzy due to too much product overload. So I washed it before styling it into this beautiful curls you're gonna see right here. To know how to wash or shampoo a wig the best way, check on my video on full hair revamping. I used 55 cord broad hair rollers to do this and then applied Nova Gold hair mousse on it to hold the curls perfectly. I have actually used Nova Gold hair mousse before and I like how it holds my hair, especially my wigs, but I have also used it on my natural hair before and it didn't cause any damage on my hair. But before you can use it on your natural hair, just make sure that you do a strand test. Yes, I love your hair, so do it. I therefore allowed it to sit for 3 days, but for a quicker way you can send it into a dryer in case you want it faster, in case you want to wear it maybe the next day or sooner. But before you send it into the dryer, a quick advice is that make sure to use a heat protection spray on it to protect the strands from being damaged or breaking it. After the third day, I took the roller sets off and divided or splitted each curl sample into 2 or more, but maybe you can just leave it like that if in case that is how you want it. I didn't want it that way, so I divided mine into 3, some into 3 and some into 2. But if you think that maybe you want to divide them into more divisions, then yes, just do it. Just do how you really want it. But please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more management on your hair and on your wigs. I love you and I love your hair. Have a nice day.